Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today we're using an air fryer to make fried chicken and french fries that are so luscious and crispy. I love to air fry because it's a healthier way to enjoy deep fried foods. So let's get started. Okay guys, we're starting with chicken drumsticks. Make sure your chicken is very well drained and dried. We want these to fry very well. We're going to season the chicken with some spices. So in this bowl, I have some garlic and onion powder, paprika, white pepper, salt, and black pepper. Go ahead and mix these together, then season your chicken on both sides with your spices. Try to get the spices on every part of the chicken. We don't want to miss out on any flavor. Next, we're going to spritz some cooking spray on both sides of the chicken to make them extra crispy, just like deep fried chicken. So here's my air fryer. I'll leave a link below. I'm going to pull out the pan and arrange the chicken on the rack that's in the pan. And guys, make sure you don't overcrowd the pan because we want the chicken to fry very well. Next, put the pan back, then it's time to fry the chicken. So I'm going to air fry at 400 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. But after about 12 minutes of frying, you're going to turn the meat over. Then I will show you what they look like when they're completely done. And here they are. They're very well fried and so crispy. Yeah, these came out so good. They're almost like deep fried chicken. Not exactly, but almost. Next, we're going to set these aside and I'm going to show you how to make the french fries. I already peeled and cut up my potatoes into long strips. We're soaking the potatoes in water and rinsing off the starch. This way we end up with crispy french fries. Next, we're going to use some paper towels to soak in all the liquid from the potatoes because the drier your potatoes, the crispier your french fries. Once the potatoes are dried, transfer them into a bowl. Then we're going to drizzle with a little bit of oil and we're seasoning with the same spices we used for the chicken. Go ahead and mix everything together. Get the spices on every single potato strip. Alright, next we're going to place the potatoes in the air fryer pan. Then air fry at 400 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. You should also turn the potatoes around every 5 minutes just to make sure they're crisping up evenly. And here is the end product. They smell so good. They're very nice and crispy. This air fryer fried chicken and french fries came out amazing, packed with flavor, and it's such a healthy way to enjoy deep fried food. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. If you tried this recipe, please send me photos on Instagram and Facebook. I love seeing your creations. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'll see you soon. Bye!